The EST extension identifies a Wilcom embroidery design file containing professional embroidery stitch data created in Wilcom software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or convert these professional embroidery design files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful EST inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. EST files are native embroidery design files for Wilcom EmbroideryStudio and Wilcom Hatch software. They contain full embroidery data, including stitch paths, thread color information, object properties, and digitizing parameters in Wilcom's proprietary format. Wilcom EST files store vector-based embroidery objects with full editability in Wilcom software. Unlike stitch-only formats, EST files retain the original digitizing intent, allowing modification of fill types, stitch angles, density, and thread color assignments. The initial software setup links the EST file directly to Wilcom EmbroideryStudio by Wilcom. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows cannot show stitch density or direction, so proper viewing requires specialized tools. Open the context menu by right-clicking the EST file and selecting Open With. Start your test with Wilcom EmbroideryStudio if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If you still can't open the EST file, it's okay. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening EST files. Install Wilcom EmbroideryStudio or Wilcom Hatch embroidery software on your Windows computer. Open the EST file through File, then open to access the full editable design. A viewer-only version of Wilcom software is available for reviewing designs without editing. Next, converting to machine format. Export the EST design to a machine-specific format, such as DST-XP or JEF using File, then Export in Wilcom software. Select the target embroidery machine format from the Export dialog and configure hoop size and color sequence before exporting. Finally, Troubleshooting Compatibility. EST files are version-specific. If an older EST file does not open in a newer version of Wilcom, use the built-in file conversion wizard to upgrade the format. Contact Wilcom support if designs open with missing objects or corrupted stitch data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.